Hi everyone, it's Jamela, your thrifty girl. We're back again with another video on how we live the lifestyle of the thrift and famous. I hope you enjoy and thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for joining me again on this video. Today we're going to talk about the Brick Cottage project master bedroom. If you recall, this is my son's bedroom that we did at his Brick Cottage house, and he's a minimalist. So today I'm going to show you how I maximized on the minimalist. Let's take it back to when we first looked at the house. This is the master bedroom, and once all the clutter was cleared out, this is the clean slate that we're left with. First thing we had to do was get that popcorn ceiling down. Now if you see in the video, I did choose a lighter blue, but I didn't like it. So we got the ceiling down, and then we pulled up the carpet, and it did have some hardwood floors, but they were damaged. So we had to cover those floors up. But anyway, while he's painting the new color, which is a deep navy blue on the walls with some crisp white trim, I was out thrifting, and I did snag these mid-century end tables at a Pieces of Time estate sale in New Jersey. Now here my son is finishing up the flooring, and then the room is all finished painted and the flooring is all laid, and I'm happy. Now it's time to get this room together, and we're going to show you how everything looks with all the thrifted finds that I did to pull this room together. The fabric on the curtains was $2 a yard. I found that on sale, so up they went. And now we're going to show you how we ball this room on a budget. This concludes the tour, and as you see, the room has a nice contemporary new look, very minimalist, but yet maximized on style. As you can see, we bought this room on a budget of under $400. The new look is all together, and my son enjoys it. In the room, you can see this featured in the magazine Curated Quarters. I hope you enjoyed it and were inspired. And again, this is how we live the lifestyle of the thrift and famous. Stay tuned for the next video and always be inspired. Happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home.